What are we doing tonight? Chicken quesadillas. Drop the cup, get the cutting board ready, and let's go. Need some stuff for him. I'm not prepared for this video. Still don't have stuff out of the fridge. Way to go. Alright, I just recently came up with this tip, or found out about this tip. How you want to cut it. You cut it right down the middle, you leave that little stem on there. That little butt. And you just peel it right off here, and it doesn't make your eyes water like crazy. If you don't have this problem, don't worry about it. Slice right here. Just cut that part off. I'm not using a whole onion here, so I just want about this much. Don't know if I like this new test rig, but makes it handy. Alright, chop up the onion here. Slice about halfway through. I'm just take off your finger. Falls apart real nice like. Some olive oil in the pan. Get that heating up. Come in with the jalapenos. Just want a little bit of spice in here. We're going to remove the seeds so they're not too hot. So we're just going to continue chopping our onions and jalapenos here. Not going to bore you. Let's go. Chop up one red pepper. And that jalapeno is chopped. You can see it right there. Just so they're nice little bite size. They're not anything crazy. So when you bite into them, remember they're going into a quesadilla. Did I say that? Yeah, they're going into the quesadilla, guys. That's what I'm making tonight. Everybody in the pan.
Mark says, I'm out of here.
Marvin doesn't like this sizzling, so he ran. Alright, we're just gonna cook these until they're nice and soft. And then we'll build. Alright, we'll chop up our chicken that we grilled earlier in the day. We just heated it a little bit in the pan there. And we'll just chop it up into nice little pieces. Fajita shells in the pan. Alright, put your cheese on, whatever kind of cheese you desire. Shredded cheese is definitely preferred on this. Come in with your chicken. Alright, come in with your jalapenos and your onion and your red pepper. Just whatever your preference is on how much you want in yours. Alright, now your second coat of cheese, this is going to act as your glue. Don't miss this part. The other fajita shell on there. And these have cooked long enough, so as soon as I get the other fajita shell on the second one here, I am going to flip these. Grab your spatula. Try to do this as delicately as possible. See, they're already on for a little bit too long, but it's okay, they're just fine. Oh man, what are you doing? Get it together. There we go. Push them down, get that cheese melted on there. See, I got a little bit of cheese there, just peel that off, that's fine. You're fine. Don't worry about it. Alright, it just takes a minute here and they're gonna come right on out. They're stuck together a little bit, but that's fine. No big deal here. I want to get them both out of the pan right away, dude. Alright, let's chop them and see how they look. Oh, look at that. You can tell already. I'm just going to move this one out of my way for a second here. Alright, chicken quesadilla. Look at that baby. Nice juicy chicken. Boy's up here, he's like, dude, I swear. Anyway, chicken quesadilla. Boy's up here, he's like, dude, if you don't like it, I'll take some. That thing looks good. Let's try it. Oh my god. Guys, the chicken was grilled before. Just heated it a little bit in the pan. And then throw it in the quesadilla just to for the final warm. Got the jalapenos, so you got that bite. You got the red peppers. The cheese melted perfect, and the onion. Highly recommended. Quick, easy. Cheers, guys. 94.